Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and it is exciting times in the Tesla community as the brand new, fully refreshed Model Y, also known as Juniper, are finally hitting the streets. And over here in Los Angeles, California, you know we get the bulk of them right away because our beautiful state of California loves Tesla. And today I have a Quicksilver Model Y Juniper. Quicksilver is the name of this brand new kind of silver color. Super cool. And as you can see right off the bat, this customer wanted to size up with their wheels. Came originally with 19-inch wheels, but you know what? The Model Y looks really good with 21-inch wheels, just like the previous performance version came with 21-inch wheels. And this customer chose our fully forged TY115 wheels finished in satin black. And satin black is the way to go because it ties in with all the trims on around the windows, the door handles, underneath the side mirrors, and it looks really sporty with this brand new Quicksilver color. Now, while this looks like that's all we did, I actually have a world's first unveiling to share with you right now on a completely reupholstered interior and a brand new program that we are launching today for the Juniper. Let's go inside and check it out. So for those of you that have seen the interior of the new Juniper Model Y, you're impressed because it is a complete reimagination, completely been redone by Tesla, and they did an amazing job. But you know what? Just like the previous Model Y, you're limited to only two colors, vegan white and vegan black. And while that might make most of you happy, the majority actually want options because we're coming from another car that had maybe a really nice tan interior or red interior or blue, etc. Or you just want to be different. You don't want a black or white interior. Now, T-Sportline has had a wonderful program over the years, reupholstering interior seat kits available nationwide for your Model Y, and we have a lot of colors to choose from. Well, today I want to show you the world's first Model Y Juniper with our medium red interior. The front two seats and the rear seats have been completely reupholstered. This is exactly the color the customer is looking for. It's called medium red because it's not like your bright red like you would expect. It's more of almost a Bordeaux, and it complements the exterior color and the interior parts that Tesla reupholstered on the reimagination of the Juniper perfectly. What do you guys think? This is really cool. It's got the perforated inserts just like the original seat pattern, and we stuck with that. So you get the same seat pattern. However, now you can go ahead and have over 50 colors to choose from, and it's affordable. It's a very affordable upgrade and can be done nationwide. So what do you guys think about this new color interior? And if you were to reupholster the interior on your Model Y, what color would you go with? I'd love to hear some comments below. And thank you, as always, for watching. If you love our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.